in the club. Now that's the lazy way to wrestle, Baxter. You just lay there and let Rudy come to you. Is that the dealio? And try to entice her here and there? Huh? Is that the deal? Yeah? You getting in on that, Teddy? Huh? Okay, maybe I'll get up. Maybe I'll get up. Excuse me, pardon me. Yeah? Yeah, I'm not quite done. Okay, maybe I am. I'm gonna go back to bed. I'm gonna go, no, maybe I won't. Oh, she got your bed, dude. Oh, she got your ball too. You better go get that. Oh no. Oh no. Look at that tail straight out. Add attention. Go get your ball, buddy. You go get it. Aww.